Keeper, you move. Oh, what genie?
I would love to sit here and chit chat with you. I gotta go. Oh, Tyrus, did you just fart?
Yeah, well, what are you gonna do? Life's a bitch and then you die, right?
Sometimes. Sometimes life's a bitch and then you keep living.
Yeah.
Why don't you sit right down and stay a while? We like the same things and I like your style. It's not a secret. Why do you keep it?
Daisy, give me your answer, do
I'm crazy.
you'll fall down. Daisy, give me your answer, do
I'm crazy.
you'll fall down.
Baka, 덕구 니 때렸다만 허줘야. 그래, 스티야, 마마. 어때가 엄마 또.
Is north and west is south. I feel like I would never get out. I'm trapped.
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
So, you got a boyfriend?
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
One sip,
Bad for me,
one hit,
bad for me,
one kiss.
bad for me. But I give in so easily. And no thank you is how it should have gone. I should stay strong, but I'm weak. And what's wrong with that?
It's just a cigarette and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad.
It's just a cigarette like you always used to do.
I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
How's your directions in my washing machine heart? Baby, bring it up inside. I'm not wearing my usual lipstick. I thought maybe we
Ice. Put a light here. That's is from a movie, okay? It's a character that everyone can make. Own style, of course.
Boundary boredom, the boundary
you will die, and I hate hoping. Wishing that the pills let you cry, and I hate hoping. Someday I will go back outside and see her okay.
To be or not to be? That is the question. You and I were meant to be. Don't make me sting you. I'll do it. You need to get out of here. Just kidding.
Han er trænet. Har du selv lavet? Ja. Ej, hvor er den flot. Ej, hvor er den flot. Ej. Hvor er du flot, jeg får godt lide. Ej. Den kan godt lide det, hva'? Den er flot lavet. Pas på. Ej, den siger så ikke mig. Jeg har aldrig set noget lignende. Jeg har. Det er på. Hvad? Prøv lige se det.
Mom, Dad, I had a nightmare that Robert was trying to hurt me.
Oh, sweetie, Robert's your twin brother. He would never hurt you.
I also had the bad dreams, Mommy.
Oh, both my poor boys. Daddy's gonna take you back to bed, and I promise I'll have pancakes for you both in the morning.
I don't want to be alone with him.
And I don't want to be up in 2 hours to go to work. But sometimes one person wants to focus on their music career, and another person wants to have kids.
Good night, Papa.
Good night, boys.
More pancake for me.
Backwards, upside down, and inside out. So hold on, or it'll fall down.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Welcome to my dark side. your final sallies. Let's hope they go to your phone. Oh, hell no, yo,
Hey, what time is it?
it's muffin time!
Actually it's 12:30.
Somebody kill me!
We never cry.
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid a tune,
Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore
I am. I am. Hey, let me tell you how much I've come.
I'm a fox. My name's Todd. What's your name, kid? Mine's Copper. I'm a hound dog. Two adventures written on the doorway. Glad I can't, everyone just got away. Except you. You can stay. What do you think?
No, you're not cool. How about now, Benson?
Boy, I know you want this potion. I'll hack you, I'll possess you. You'll beg me to come sex you, undress you, crazy. I just want you to fuck me.
It can't be that bad. Nah, what the frick?
As mina pira com os mano.
Muchos chivatos se quedan resentidos, no pueden con lo suyo y están pendientes a lo mío. Ma, dime qué vamos a hacer, yo a ti te quiero comer. Cuando pasa, mujer, me quedo mirando.
Think you know what I mean to get by. Something for your mind. Something for your mind. Прыгай со мной, социальный нож, близко давай с головой. Отменяй таксиста, нам не нужно больше домой.
You will fear me.
I recognize you, but I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore.
You called her a hoe because she said nobody. You're letting on your fragile masculinity show. I mean, oh my, she's just not into you. Doesn't matter how much your eyes precipitate. You could buy her a drink, but she doesn't have to reciprocate. If you pay for the date, she doesn't have to stay late. You gotta move on.
Favorite boy, I wanna be the one that makes sure that the one you think about as you lie awake.
Is north and west is south. I feel like I will never get out. I'm trapped. West is south. I feel like I will never get out. I'm trapped.
And
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
cherry blossom iced tea.
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced
She's a 10, but she dyes her hair pink.
She's a 10, but she looks like a man.
She's a 10, but her parents are divorced.
She's a 10, but she has an Adam's apple.
She's a 10, but she listens to BTS.
She's a 10, but she needs to get her roots done.
She's a 10, but she needs to get her nose done.
She's a 10, but she can't even fix her daddy issues.
She's a 10, but she got cheated on, but went back to the guy even though we all told her not to.
She's a 10, but she has man shoulders.
She's a 10, but she can't even do her makeup.
She's a 10, but she needs makeup.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go!